Well, folks, we're back at least one other time for today because I'm just thought I'd point out that a little nicer day today, but quite windy today. And as you can see, a tree right here and almost center of the back tree right here and almost center of the backyard is really changing its colors now for sure. So is our shrubs here on this side of the place, here and here. But man, it's been quite a windy day here in Rochester. And the trees that were the first couple to start changing their colors with leaves have already just about fully shedded in the edge of our woods here. Our workshop crew just got home.